Hello students, welcome to my next video. Today we will learn qualitative and quantitative research. I Dr. Rohan Devale. Welcome you all. We are studying the subject business research method. This is online lecture series qualitative and quantitative research lecture number 15. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What are our learning questions? What is the concept of qualitative research? What is the concept of quantitative research? And we will also learn what are various pros and cons of both approaches. Research approach can be broadly classified as qualitative approach and quantitative approach. The qualitative approach to research is focused on understanding the phenomenon from a closer perspective, whereas the quantitative approach tends to approximate phenomenon from a larger number of individuals using survey methods. So research approaches, qualitative and quantitative. Now we will understand each approach one by one. To start with, qualitative approach. The qualitative approach focuses on describing a phenomenon in a deep comprehensive manner. This is generally done in interviews, open-ended questions, or focus groups. In most cases, a small number of participants participate in this type of research because to carry out such research endeavor requires many resources and much time. However, such research serves as a springboard for larger studies and a deeper understanding that can inform theory, practice, and specific situations. Now we will understand various pros, that is advantages of qualitative research approach. The first advantage, it allows identification of new and untouched problems. It can provide a deeper understanding of research problem or research area. It gives one-on-one and subjective information. So these are various advantages of qualitative research. Now we will see cons, that is disadvantages of qualitative approach. It cannot generalize to a general population. Challenges in applying statistical methods and difficulty in assessing relationship between the characteristics. These are various disadvantages of qualitative approach. Moving on, quantitative approach. The quantitative approach focuses on describing a phenomenon across a large number of participants, thereby providing the possibility of summarizing the characteristics across the group or relationships. This approach surveys a large number of individuals and applies statistical techniques to recognize overall pattern in the relation of processes. Importantly, the use of surveys can be done across the groups. For example, the same survey can be used with a group of mentors that is receiving training, that is often called as intervention or experimental groups, and a group of mentors who does not receive such a training, that is also called as control group. It is then possible to compare these two groups on outcomes of interest and determine what influence and training had. It is also relatively easy to survey people a number of times, thereby allowing the conclusion that a certain feature, like matching, influence a specific outcome, that is, well-being or achievement later in life. So this is about quantitative approach. Now we will see various pros, that is advantages of quantitative approach. Enables gathering information from a relatively large number of participants. It can conduct in number of groups allowing for comparison. It allows generalizing a broader population. It provides numerical or rating information, informative for instantaneous policies or guidelines, lends to statistical techniques that allows determine relationship between the variables. These are various advantages of quantitative research. Moving on, cons, that is disadvantages of quantitative approach. Difficulty in recognizing new and untouched phenomena, caution in interpretation without a control group, gives severe or strict results. It can be expensive and time consuming experiments. So we can summarize the qualitative and quantitative approach as the quantitative and qualitative approaches to research allows a different perspective of situations or phenomenon. These are two important approaches to research that are highly informative and especially used in the combinations. Each approach has its benefits and demerits, that is pros and cons, and being aware of the methods used to gather the information can help practitioners and researchers and policymakers to understand the extent to which research findings can be applied. So this is the summary. Now we will compare the two approaches, that is qualitative and quantitative approach. So we will understand now in the left hand side qualitative methods and in right hand side I have described quantitative methods. Now we will just differentiate between those two. The first point of differentiation, qualitative methods, primarily inductive processes used to formulate theory or hypotheses. Quantitative methods, primarily they are deductive processes used to test and pre-specified concepts, constructs and hypotheses. Here in qualitative methods, you can say that these methods are more subjective in nature, that describes a product, problem or condition from the point of view of those experiencing it. In case of quantitative methods, methods are more objective, that is provides observed effects interpreted by the researcher of a program on a problem or condition. The third point, in qualitative method, these methods are text-based methods. Quantitative approach are number-based methods. In qualitative approach, you can say more in-depth information on fewer cases is given, while in quantitative methods, less in-depth but more breadth of information across a large number of cases are given. Moving on, we will continue the differentiation. Qualitative approach, these are unstructured or semi-structured response options. Quantitative approach are fixed response options. In qualitative approach, no direct statistical test can be used, and quantitative approach methods, statistical tests are used for the analysis. Qualitative methods can be valid and reliable. It largely depends on skills and rigor of the researcher. Quantitative methods can be valid and reliable, but largely depends on measurement instrument that is used for research. Qualitative methods, they are time expenditure lighter on the planning and heavier during the analysis phase, whereas quantitative methods, time expenditure heavier on the planning phase and lighter on the analysis phase. We will continue few more points, the difference between qualitative methods and quantitative methods. Qualitative methods less generalized formats and quantitative methods more generalized formats. Now we will see which are various techniques. In case of qualitative methods, methods include focus groups, in-depth interview and reviews of documents for types of themes. In quantitative methods, surveys, structured interviews, structured questions, and observation and review of records or documents for numerical information are used. So this was the difference between qualitative methods and quantitative methods. Learning outcome from today's session. Today we have learned the concept of qualitative research. We have also learned the concept of quantitative research. We have seen various pros and cons of both approaches and we have done a comparison between both approaches. What is next? In my next video, we will understand variables in research. So don't forget to check my next video. Keep thinking, keep learning. Don't forget to watch my channel. Keep watching, like, share, subscribe, comment and turn on the bell icon for further notification. All the best for your studies. These are a few references I have used for preparing this video. Thank you.